Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 5 with a damaged display, and David will replace the display for us. So let's get to work. We have here a Google Pixel 5 with a cracked display, and it's an easy job to be honest. And you can see here there is a pretty bad bleeding on the bottom part of the screen, cracks on top, on the corners. Touchscreen is also finicky, so yeah, we have to replace the entire display. So we have removed the SIM card tray for some reason, and then we'll remove the screen itself. There's some gaps right away. Maybe the cracks, the drop made these gaps easy to access. So we'll slice through the adhesive here, spray some alcohol, and then soften the adhesive, slice through it, and then hold on to the gap because we want to make it wider. So we're slicing through it back and forth. This is a metal tool, but it's blunt and it's made of soft metal, so it's no worries for us. Google Pixel compared to iPhones, iPhones also open through the front, but I think it's easier to open up a Google Pixel and replace the display, especially in older models like this Google Pixel 5. Without the fingerprint scanner up under the display, it's easier, straightforward. You pop out the old display and install the new one. No questions asked, no error messages. It will just work. So the adhesive seems to be stronger this time, but this is just us taking the time. We don't want to rush everything because underneath this there's a connector that we need to detach. Also lift it up just like an iPhone on the left side. And then here you have the single display connector. We have the safety clip that secures the connector in place. It's so secure that you have to put some force when removing it. It's just a one connector, but it's quite in there. There you go. So we have our replacement display. We'll test it right now. So we connect it, then turn it on. It's plug and play, baby. There you go. It's also pretty clean up front. So we have a Google boot sequence. So if you are starting out and you're interested in fixing smartphones, you want to do your own screen replacement, yeah, Google Pixel, older Google Pixels are the best way to start. You can see here, it's a quite good wallpaper. The bleeding is now gone, cracks are now gone. This is a brand new display, a new life for this smartphone. And the cameras, touchscreen, predictable. The smartphone is still initializing some apps, so that's why it's jittery. But so far we like what we see. Remove the connector and apply some adhesive around the housing so that we can properly install the new display. I think we need to remove this. Oh, that's a correction my part. We have to remove some parts, miscellaneous parts from the old display. So we have rubber grommets for the front camera and that sensor underneath there, but it's quite easy to remove. It's not that hard. So it connects through that slot on the board. Yeah, so it's quite easy still. It's quite easy to puzzle up. Then we add our own liquid adhesive. This is not going to be waterproof or anything. This is not factory adhesive. It's just enough so we can properly install the new display, make it stick for many years of daily use. It's going to be quite heat resistant, and it's easy to remove if the smartphone will need to be opened later in the future. So it's not a strong glue, it's more rubberized that gets soft when applied with the technician thermal gun to melt the adhesive. It's gonna be good for this application. So we installed the display for the one last time, secure it with this clip and press it in. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, guys. It's kind of a run-of-the-mill repair that we do here in the shop, and the quality that you receive if you choose to go with Sydney CBD Repair Centre. If you can't visit us, you can mail in your broken smartphone and we'll fix it here and then send it back to you. We've had clients from the US, Asia, and Europe. Recently, we sent back an ROG Phone 7 to Croatia, and with positive results, positive feedback from the client. This is just one of those success stories. This is Pixel 5 saved and give it a new life. So thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.